Hi, Ronnie here out in the workshop. Today's topic of this video is all about kerf. What is kerf? What does it have to do with woodworking? And these things. I'm going to let you know coming up. So you either clicked on this video to find out what kerf is, or you want to find out what this guy is going to explain about kerf. Basically, kerf is really simple. It's what's left behind after you make a cut, basically. So the width of your saw blade, not only the width of your saw blade, but basically the saw blades come in different widths and they'll leave behind different amounts of gaps after the cut. But it's not only the saw blade width, you got to take into account the teeth on the saw blade. Sometimes they're bent out a little bit each way. So you got to consider the total width of that. Not only that, what happens if you have a slight wobble in your saw blade, like I'm going to show you here? That's going to take more material out. So basically the simple answer, but not complete answer, is the width of the saw blade and what it leaves behind after the cut. Why is this important? Because you have to figure that in on how many cuts you want to make in a board. Let's say, for instance, we have these scenarios. All right, let's say I have an 8-foot 2x4 and I want to cut into 8 1-foot sections. It's not going to happen. Kerf. All right, let's imagine I have a piece of plywood 4x8 and I want to cut it in half and have 2 4x4 pieces. Am I going to get 2 4x4 pieces? No. You know why? Kerf. So that's my explanation of what kerf is. Kerf is basically the black hole to where precious product goes after you cut it. I hope you like and subscribe, ring the bell, so you get notified of more of these informational, outstanding videos from me in the future. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next project.